The DJI Air 3S has finally made its appearance online, confirming its existence and fueling excitement among fans who have been eagerly anticipating its release. Following the introduction of the DJI Air 3, enthusiasts have been looking forward to the updated DJI Air 3S, which is expected to come with significant improvements. Recently, leaked footage of the Air 3S being flown outdoors has surfaced, suggesting that the wait is nearly over. The popularity of the Air series stems from their excellent value for money, offering many of the high-end features found in DJI's premium drones at a more affordable price. Now, let's dive into what the upcoming DJI Air 3S has in store and the upgrades that might make it a worthwhile investment. In recent weeks, drone enthusiasts across various forums have been speculating about DJI's forthcoming releases. Amidst the debates on whether DJI would launch the Mavic 4 or the Air 4, Igor Bogdanov dropped a bombshell on Twitter by sharing an image and a short video of what he claimed to be the upcoming Air 3S. This revelation was unexpected, as most discussions were centered around the Air 4. Nonetheless, this news has thrilled fans, especially since the Air 3 did not fully meet expectations. Although the video isn't very clear, the image provides a closer look at the drone. At first glance, it resembles the Air 3, with a similar form factor and design. Interestingly, DJI seems to have reverted to a single-camera gimbal. Externally, there don't appear to be drastic changes, suggesting that the significant upgrades are likely internal. One of the most anticipated upgrades is a larger sensor. The Air 3S is expected to feature a 1-inch sensor, which would enhance detail capture and significantly improve performance in low-light conditions. The Air 3 featured a dual 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor, with the main sensor offering an equivalent focal length of 70 mm, delivering good image quality. However, a larger sensor would allow more light to enter, resulting in better contrast and overall image quality. While specific details about the camera resolution are scarce, there are expectations that DJI will reintroduce 5.4K shooting at 60 frames per second with the Air 3S. A larger sensor might also enable the Air 3S to shoot 4K vertical videos without cropping, which is a boon for users who want to post their footage on social media instantly. Like the Air 3, the Air 3S is anticipated to feature the APAS 5.0 system, which aids in smooth navigation, and an omnidirectional obstacle avoidance sensor to prevent crashes in congested areas. Additionally, there is hope for a slight improvement in battery life. However, given the similar form factor of both drones, it's unlikely that there will be a significant increase. The current 46-minute battery life is already impressive for a drone of this size. So, when can we expect the Air 3S to hit the market? DJI is likely to hold a launch event in August, and there's a strong possibility that the Air 3S will be unveiled at this event. Do you think the Air 3S is a necessary upgrade? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this update, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest tech news.